Hey everyone, today I will show you how to watch Instagram live video without them knowing, and here's how it is done. There is no official or built-in way to watch someone's Instagram live without them knowing, as Instagram notifies users about who is watching their live video. However, there are some workarounds that people might use to try and view an Instagram live without being detected, though these methods can be unreliable or breach privacy guidelines. 1. Create a Finsta, fake Instagram account. You can create a second Instagram account that doesn't reveal your identity and use it to watch the live stream. Alternative method. Change your profile temporarily. Here's the trick. To stay anonymous, simply change your profile temporarily. Go to your profile by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap Edit Profile. Change your profile picture, username, and even your name if you want. Now, when you watch the live video, they won't be able to tell if it's you since your name and profile picture will be different. Revert your profile after watching. Once you are done watching the live session, you can easily go back to your profile and switch your name and picture back to normal. 2. Use a friend's account. If your goal is to view the live video without being detected, you can watch through someone else's Instagram account with their permission. It is important to note that using unauthorized methods to bypass Instagram features can violate its terms of service, so it is good to be cautious. That is everything you need to know about how to watch Instagram live video without them knowing. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.